just have a quick look at the quick setup. It's laid flat. And it is just going to be 2 feet on it, so feet are the same as last year, as you can see. And it's got a cable guide. Oh right, because last year's feet, a section of it slid off, cable went into it, so we'll see anyway. So, said feet, I'll take them out now as soon as we need them. So, right foot, and similar shape to last year's, but it's solid plastic, no cable guide, so there's a stick-on cable guide going to go on there. I'm not better unwrapping that, as soon as we've seen one, it'll be identical. Accessory pack, I'll open that afterwards. But there's no, obviously no one connect box in this, it's all built into the television. Lean that there for a moment. Check there's nothing else in the box, which there isn't. Top can go back in. We'll lay that flat like a little workbench. Lay the TV down, and we'll just do that. To the back, do you want to look at the connections? So, half amp USB, 1 amp, digital audio out, HDMI 4 is audio return channel on this one, 4 HDMIs in total, LAN in, terrestrial TV in, oh sorry that's terrestrial TV, they're the 2 satellites, so you've got your main satellite and your one for recording. So, in this bag, now I'm getting it out, it does have the cable guides in that bag as well. I thought they'd be in the accessory pack, but they are not. So they're going to clip onto the legs as cable guides, I guess, and that's what you get. So we'll put those there, that can go out of the way when I've got the leg out of it. 4 M4 machine screws. I'm going to start a crowdfunding to buy a new Stanley knife blade, I think, because times are hard. So these should be L and R, so L on the left, R for the right. Pop the screws in. The other side. So I'll just go back to these cable guides while we're looking at the back. So that is it. That clips on the back. So it should guide your cable down nicely. And you won't see it, so you could actually clip them both to one if you need to keep it tidy, or if you've got cables going down each leg, one on each, then you've got your grooves there for running your cables down as well. Thickness wise, about 60mm, same as the Q70. Right, so quick look in the accessory kit. It says. So easiest way in. Where's the peeler bit? Peely. So standard remote, standard Freeview, smart remote. Let's have a look. So I will take it out anyway, but so standard remote, standard buttons, infrared. It'll be the plastic smart remotes when I can get it out. So that one's there. It's got the Netflix, Prime, Rakuten and the rocking buttons up and down. Volume, ambient mode as well. I'll pop some batteries in. AA batteries. What's that? Should start flashing looking for a TV. You're probably going to find the wrong one over there. But CI card slot, don't use. Wall mount spacers, so they go in the back of the TV. 200 square VESA mount on the back of that. M8 50mm bolts. Figure 8 mains lead that side. We've already popped one in, so I shall leave that there. That's that. Let's turn it on.
No surprise that booze is top of the music lovers' must-have.
I'm scoring you a 6.
Well, a 17-year-old was found in possession of Class B drugs and was arrested. The Metropolitan Police says it expects the highest standards from all of its officers and appropriate action will be taken if these standards are not met, adding that the footage is being reviewed. Well, joining us now is the former Deputy Mayor of London, Lee Jasper. He's representing the teenager's family and has started a petition calling for the Metropolitan Police to suspend the officer responsible. Also with us is Terr, who is linked
welcome it, and we all are so happy that the investigation is being conducted, but we want to have that investigation also done by community members, by local stakeholders, by people who can scrutinise what the police say, and also the MOPAC, so we can definitely say, okay, this is reasonable, necessary force.
This, of course, was a plainclothes police officer. So is it normal that they wouldn't have body cams?
They're supposed to wear body cams, but not all of them do. And on this occasion, the question to the police is, why wasn't you wearing a body cam? I mean, people have to understand that even though we don't know what happened prior to this, the resonance of this case is similar to that of Rodney King. That's the extent to which people are upset and angry. And what they see is a continuing trend of disproportionate violent arrests of young black people.
So this is to do with race in your mind?
So just a quick one, this TV I don't think is a replacement for last year's Q6. I think the Q70 is the replacement, so this is a new entry-level QLED model. This is the 49, you can get it in a 43 as well. And that's it, cool.